Imagine a world where your education is tailored just for you, or where cities can self-manage traffic and waste. Shocking, right? Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're diving deep into the future, unveiling 10 unique and groundbreaking business ideas powered by AI. From personalized learning to smart city planning, we'll explore how these AI-driven ventures are not just changing the business landscape, but our very lives. So if you're curious about the innovations that are setting the stage for tomorrow's world, you're in the right place. Stick around to uncover the marvels of AI and how you can potentially tap into these futuristic opportunities. Number 1. Personalized learning platforms. In an era where customization is a selling point, AI-driven personalized learning platforms are revolutionizing the education sector. Traditional teaching methodologies approach learning with a one-size-fits-all attitude. However, every individual learns differently, and AI can cater to these unique learning paths. By analyzing a student's interaction with content, AI can predict areas of difficulty and adapt the material accordingly. Furthermore, these platforms can be extended beyond traditional subjects to include professional training, skill development, or even hobby classes. The scope of scalability is vast, offering courses from basic arithmetic for kids to intricate programming languages for adults. By ensuring each individual receives tailored content, the learning process becomes more efficient, reducing the time and resources typically spent on generalized content. With advancements in deep learning, the AI-driven platforms can even simulate one-on-one tutor interactions, ensuring that learners aren't just consuming content, but actively engaging with it. Real-time feedback, practice tests tailored to weak points, and gamified learning challenges can foster an environment where education is not just personalized, but also enjoyable. Imagine the societal shift when every individual, irrespective of age or background, has access to their personal digital tutor. Number 2. AI-powered health diagnostics. The health sector is ripe for disruption with AI-powered diagnostic tools. Traditional diagnostic methods can often require multiple tests, significant waiting periods, and even then, human error can creep in. By harnessing the power of AI, we can analyze patterns and anomalies in health data with greater accuracy and at a faster pace. These diagnostic tools can be particularly useful in regions where medical expertise might be scarce. AI doesn't replace doctors, but instead aids them, providing preliminary insights based on extensive data analysis. This will also expedite the treatment process, ensuring patients receive the right care at the right time, which can be especially crucial in life-threatening situations. Beyond diagnostics, AI can also monitor patient recovery and medication adherence, offering healthcare providers valuable insights about a patient's journey post-diagnosis. This holistic care approach ensures that patients aren't just diagnosed accurately, but are also on the optimal recovery path, reducing hospital readmissions and ensuring better long-term health outcomes. Number 3. Sustainable Energy Consumption Optimizer. Sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. AI can play a pivotal role in promoting eco-friendly lifestyles by optimizing energy consumption. AI-driven platforms can analyze the energy usage patterns in homes and commercial spaces, suggesting actionable steps to reduce wastage. Beyond mere suggestions, these platforms can be integrated with smart devices to automatically adjust settings for optimal energy conservation. Imagine a system that understands peak load times, weather patterns, and individual preferences, adjusting heating or cooling systems, lights, and even electronic devices accordingly. By making energy consumption more efficient, businesses and homeowners can significantly reduce their carbon footprint and energy bills. As the world grapples with the effects of climate change, the emphasis on sustainable living grows. Integrating AI in our daily lives doesn't just make our homes smarter, it makes our planet healthier. With the power to analyze historical and real-time data, these systems can predict future consumption patterns and adjust accordingly, leading to an ecosystem of self-sustaining and environmentally conscious habitats. Number 4. AI-enhanced agricultural solutions. Agriculture is the backbone of many economies, and AI has the power to transform this sector. From soil analysis to predictive analytics for weather conditions, AI can assist farmers in making informed decisions. Traditional farming methods rely heavily on intuition and experience. However, with AI, data-driven insights can guide farmers on when to sow, irrigate, or harvest. Moreover, AI-powered drones can provide real-time insights about the health of crops, potential pest attacks, and other threats. With such technology, we can achieve higher crop yields, reduce wastage, and streamline the farming process, ensuring food security for the growing global population. It's not just about bigger yields, it's about smarter farming. As the global population soars, the demand on agriculture intensifies. AI not only assists in meeting these demands, but also ensures that farming practices remain sustainable. By optimizing resource utilization, from water to fertilizers, AI ensures that we can feed tomorrow's world without depleting today's resources. Number 5. Virtual shopping assistants. E-commerce has boomed in the past decade, but with AI, we can take the online shopping experience to new heights. Virtual shopping assistants, powered by AI, can understand user preferences, budgets, and style choices, curating a personalized shopping list. These aren't mere algorithmic suggestions, but a holistic approach to understanding individual shopping patterns. By integrating with augmented reality, these assistants can even allow users to virtually try on outfits or visualize how furniture might look in their living space. Such immersive experiences can bridge the gap between online and offline shopping, making purchasing decisions more informed and reducing potential returns or exchanges. The modern consumer values experience over mere transactions. AI-infused shopping transcends the conventional, providing an immersive experience that's both personalized and interactive. With virtual reality and AI merging, we're on the brink of a shopping revolution, where consumers can virtually transport themselves to any store globally, further blurring the lines between the physical and digital realms. Number 6. Smart city planning and management. Urbanization is a relentless force, and with it comes the challenge of managing cities efficiently. AI-driven platforms can aid municipal bodies in smart city planning and management. By analyzing traffic patterns, waste management systems, energy grids, and public services, AI can provide actionable insights to optimize city functions. Cities that adapt these technologies can benefit from reduced traffic congestion, efficient waste disposal, streamlined public services, and even predictive maintenance of public infrastructures. As we aim for a future where cities are more livable and sustainable, AI becomes an indispensable tool in urban planning and management. Number 7. Predictive maintenance solutions for industries. Downtime in industries due to machinery breakdown can result in massive losses. AI-powered predictive maintenance solutions can be a game changer. Instead of following a traditional maintenance schedule, AI can analyze machinery performance in real time, predicting potential breakdowns before they occur. Such proactive measures can save industries millions by preventing unplanned downtimes. Moreover, it extends the life of machinery by ensuring they are serviced precisely when needed. As industries globally shift towards automation, the integration of AI in maintenance can lead to more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective production processes. Number 8. AI-enhanced content creation. Content, be it for marketing, entertainment, or education, is being consumed at an unprecedented rate. AI-driven content creation platforms can assist creators in crafting compelling narratives. From video editing to script writing, and even music composition, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to suggest content tweaks that might resonate better with the target audience. While the human touch in content creation is irreplaceable, AI can reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing creators to focus on the bigger picture. For businesses, this means more impactful marketing campaigns, and for artists, it means more time to hone their craft. Number 9. AI-powered mental health platforms. The importance of mental health is gaining recognition globally. AI-driven platforms can offer preliminary support to those in need. By analyzing user inputs, these platforms can gauge the emotional state of a user and provide immediate coping strategies or suggest seeking professional help. Such platforms can be incredibly beneficial in regions where mental health professionals are scarce or stigmatized. While AI cannot replace human empathy, it can act as an initial support system, guiding individuals towards the help they might need. In a world where mental health issues are on the rise, such platforms can provide invaluable assistance. Number 10. Customized fitness and diet planners. The health and wellness industry has seen a surge, and AI can further individualize this experience. AI-driven platforms can analyze a person's physical statistics, health conditions, goals, and even genetic information to tailor a fitness and diet plan. By constantly monitoring progress and adjusting plans based on real-time data, these platforms ensure users are always on the most efficient path to achieving their health goals. From professional athletes to those just starting their fitness journey, everyone can benefit from a plan that evolves with their individual needs and preferences. And there you have it, 10 intriguing AI-powered business prospects that could reshape our world. The future's knocking, and AI's holding the door open. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, innovation is just an idea away. Until next time, keep dreaming big and diving deep into the world of possibilities. Cheers!